guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new here, welcome. This is Jessica. I was going to say Jessica, but you can call me anything. Jessica, whatever you're comfortable with, it's fine with me. So welcome. Today I'm in a whole different setup because I'm at the store. If you didn't know, I did open a store for my candles and also some skincare stuff. So definitely do pass by whenever you're free. It's called the Jesykajay store. You can find us on Instagram, and we are located at East Legon, Accra-Ghana. Just when you enter Accra-Ghana from East Legon, we are right at the other corner. We are not in a corner. Just when you enter Accra-Ghana, we are just there. We are not like too far into Accra-Ghana. But yeah, I have some packages to do, so I'm like, why not take you guys through this process with me, just so I share bits and pieces of my business as a business owner. So when I have orders, there are some things that must come with the orders for delivery. So let's just head on to my board and let's just get started. So this is my workstation. This is where I do all the packaging. So I start by picking a box. The box looks like this. So it comes like this. So I pick the box, pick the candle. So this is black tie. So I just put black tie in there. And then I go through my cards. I have different ones for each of the 5 cents. So I just go through it, take the right card. This is black tie. So I take black tie. It comes like this. It comes with a match and a match pad and our contact details. So I just put that on top. Take the cover and put the cover on it. So this package is going to people right here in Accra. But if I were to be shipping it outside, it will be different because I would need to package the candles well so it doesn't move. So that's where my packing peanuts come in. So I would have to stuff the packing peanuts by the candle to keep it tight so it doesn't move. But these orders are going to people right here in Ghana and Accra. So I'm just going to put that away. Put the card right on top. Put this here. Now I got these packages from Noissue, so I decided to use them for these orders. So let's see what's in the Noissue box. As soon as you open the box, it has these cute designs with the information about the brand inside the box, like free worldwide shipping. It says welcome to our world, design online. You can design your logo, and then it says meet your Noissue tape because I chose the tape, the paper tape. So that's the paper tape with instructions of how to use it. These are the tapes. It comes in a tissue. It's been wrapped in a tissue paper, which I'll definitely want to get from them later. You can design your own tissue paper, by the way. And then it has this as well. I'm guessing this is my stamp with my logo on it. So let's just open the package. So Noissue is a sustainable packaging company that allows you to design on their website online and get it shipped to you anywhere in the world for free. Let me add that, for free. And they cater to small businesses, which is the most important thing, because starting a business is quite hectic, and most of the brands cater to large orders, which small businesses don't need at the time of starting a business. So this makes them the perfect company to work with if you need to design any packaging. I think you should check them out because they cater to minimum quantities, which is perfect. This is how the stamp looks like with my logo on there. Can't wait to try this, but I wouldn't be using the stamp in this video today. Take my tape. I love the tape. It looks so nice. This is a paper tape. So I'm going to take my paper tape and I need to wet the back before it can stick. So I'll be doing that. Okay. I'm just going to cut tape. Then I take my card. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Let me know if you like this type of video, showing you a bit more about my business. Comment, let me know if you like this video, okay? And I'll do more. See you in my next video. Adios, bye.